My name is Erik Edin. I compete in Formula 2 powerboat racing. The boat is a catamaran with an engine on 250 horsepower, a Mercury Optimax engine. The boat with me inside is about 550 kilos and it goes around 200 kilometers an hour, so 110 knots. The regulation is very strict. Everybody has the same engine. You're not allowed to do anything on the engine. You have the same power system, 12 volts. The only thing you can work with is the setup on the boat, where you lay the weight or which propeller you are going to use. Now when we have applied the coating on the propellers, especially the big propellers, is going up in RPM a lot faster, and that makes the acceleration a lot better. During a race we go through really tough conditions. For example, the acceleration from 0 to 50 is about 2.5 seconds. After that from 50 to 100 is almost instant. At the straight we go to about 200 kilometers an hour, and then in the turns we go for about 3 Gs. Take the boat up from the water. We can see that the coating is still there, is not any type of wear. In the beginning, while I was searching for products like this, it was when I was going into turns, the boat felt heavy and I had bad acceleration, and it felt like the boat was sticking to the water. But after this coating, the boat feels both lighter and the acceleration feels a lot better. For next year, I'm gonna buy a new boat and I'm gonna do the coating on the whole boat. This is a thing I really believe in. We've seen in our tests that there's been a lot of progress. I think this is one of the things that maybe can make me the world champion for next year.